be a paradise.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting the spring bright colors out of my comfort zone kind of series. Decided to step out of my comfort zone today and do more greens with less of a brown or a peach undertone. So I looked at my colors and I thought March is right here. St. Patrick's Day is like basically here already. So why not go ahead and do like a yellow green look. And also this necklace, I've been wanting to wear it and it is so inspiring. So that's basically where we're going today. I have a couple new products that I'm going to be using and reviewing at the end of the video. So if you're interested in recreating this beautiful look right here, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright guys, I already prepped and primed my eye. I'm going to go ahead and go in with some Coastal Scent Hot Pots. First one I'm going to go in with is Fool's Gold. I'm going to admit that using these shades is completely out of my comfort zone, since I always do like a peach or like a brown undertone look. But since St. Patrick's Day, Mardi Gras, and all these colorful festivities are happening, I said, well, why not? Next, I'm going to begin to darken with Olive Wood. I go ahead and go in with the Photo Focus Concealer. I'm going to put some in the back of my hand and grab a brush. For more of a creamy base, I'm going to go in with the cream eyeliner from e.l.f. in the color Golden. I won't say that these are like amazing resistance, it's just kind of like a base so that your color can stick to. But if you just want to wet your eyeshadow and go for it. Next, I'm going to begin to build with 100 Karat Cosmetics Moss eyeshadow. I'm going to leave it about halfway and then kind of blend the gold with the green shade. Next, I'm going to go in with 24 Karat from 100 Karat Cosmetics. This is kind of like a glittery pigment, so even though you might get it pressed, it might be kind of like still glittery, if that makes sense. So I would say grab a glitter base to mix it in and make sure that your product is secure. So I'm going to go in with the Sally's glue. A second to dry and then we can go back. So we're going to go in with that green shade again, Moss, and just kind of blend the right in the middle of the two shades. So I'm pulling the color slightly, the gold over to the green, just so that we can get a blend. And then I'm going to go ahead and pat just to make sure that everything is together. Once we're good to go there, I'm going to go ahead and darken up the edge and kind of extend it. With Olive Wood, I'm going to go in and just kind of perfect the edges how I want them to be. Then I'm going to make sure that I extended it.
Cause we never say what we think, waiting for the perfect way. Time zone speak, got me on delay, cause I crossed a million seas. Would you do that for me?
Next, we're going to go ahead and finish off the bottom of the eye. We're going to go in with Fool's Gold. Begin to darken the edges with Olive Wood. Start setting that metallic shade Moss in the center. And I'm going to go ahead and wet my brush. So I decided to add a super bright pop of green in the inner corner and see how that goes. I decided that I want this in the inner waterline, so let me go ahead and try that. So this one is from CoverGirl and it's not really doing anything in my inner waterline. For the inner corner, I'm going to go in with Jcat's and see how bright that is before I go ahead and brighten it up. Go ahead and clean the under eye with some translucent powder. I'm also going to take that Jcat highlighter and highlight on my brow bone.
Close your eyes. Would you dream for me? Some paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
So that is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I am definitely going to try to incorporate more festive looks other than neutrals in my channel. Really quickly, a couple of thoughts on these new products that I'm using. This foundation is awesome if you're not going to set it with powder, if you're just going to like even out your skin tone and go, because it's so natural and fresh. I had an issue with it once it came to buffing out my bronzer, that it was kind of like taking off in some sections. So I do like the finish. I would kind of recommend that you go light days with this one, not a full glam on top, because you might have that issue. e.l.f. translucent powder, so far so good. I used it to bake and I used it under my eyes. I didn't see any craziness. I will test out the flashback and I will let you know. I will be posting that on my Instagram and Snapchat, so if you're not following me, go ahead and do so. This one for Makeup Revolution, the highlighter, it's called a Strobe highlighter and Gold Addict. When I got it, it looked really cool in the pan. When I actually put it on, I felt like it wasn't like too wow, if that makes sense. I had to mix it in with a lighter gold for it to kind of pop out in my skin tone. Maybe in darker skin tones it would be more visible, but in lighter skin tones this wasn't like super impressive for me. It's nice, but it just didn't have that wow factor, you know? And lastly, these lashes are the Kiss product line. These are super nice, super comfortable, short, wearable for the people that still want like a flare, but you want a fuller lash versus a wispy. I would definitely recommend this one. And lastly, I am trying out the Morphe liquid lipsticks for the first time. They're comfortable, they have a sweet smell, and I don't see it like breaking too much. I will definitely be testing out these products and getting back to you on my social media, so make sure to follow me there. Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. If you want any special colors or requests for videos, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Do that for me.